You are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So in today's tutorial, I will show you 5 Gmail tricks that most users do not know. Most people use Gmail every single day, but they don't know about the basic features. Gmail actually has several hidden tools that can save you time and make managing emails much easier. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. So one of the hidden tricks that you should know while using a Gmail is how to schedule an email. So how can you do that? Is by going to your Gmail. You're going to tap on your Gmail. As you can see, I'm already on my Gmail, so I'm going to tap on Compose. So I'm going to tap on Compose. Now you can see, so you can put in your second Gmail account or any email you want. So I'm going to be putting in one of my second Gmail accounts now. Already put in my Gmail account, so the next thing is to put in your subjects. So I can use an example. Let me use a meeting reminder. As you can see, I already composed the message, which is "Hi John, just to remember that our meeting is tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, I think you can see this type, see you then. I fully composed my message, which is "Hi John, just remember that our meeting is tomorrow at 10 a.m. See you then." So instead of sending this right now, I will schedule it for tomorrow morning. So how can I do that? Is by tapping on the 3 dots at your right. Then I'm going to schedule the send. Then I'm going to, you can put it in which one you wish to pick. So I'm going to pick tomorrow morning. So my message has been scheduled. So Gmail will automatically send it even if I'm not using my phone. Trick 2 is how to snooze your email. So if you are busy, do not leave important emails in your inbox. So how can you do that? Is by tapping on your Gmail. So you might have received images from emails from Google's YouTube or Shopify site. So I received an email from InShot now, and I'm not ready to reply to this email, and I want to snooze it. So how can you do that? Is by tapping on the 3 dots here. Then you click on snooze. Then you tap on the time you wish for the message to pop on later. So I might pick tomorrow, which is Wednesday at 8 a.m. Now as you can see, it's going to disappear from my inbox immediately, and it's going to come back tomorrow at the time I put this, which is 8 a.m. That is how to snooze an email. Trick 3 of the hidden Gmail you should know is how to undo send. Ever sent an email by mistake? Gmail give you a few seconds to cancel it. How can you do this? Is to tap on your Gmail. Now for an example, I'm going to compose an email now. So I'm going to compose an email. Then, like I said, you can use any of your own second email or any email you wish. So I'm going to put in a second email now. Okay. Tap on it. Then my subject is test email. Since I'm using for just an example for you all to see. Test email, that will be my subject. Then I'm going to compose the image I'm composing is, this is just a test mail. Just an example for you all to see how you can do that. This is just a test email, right? Test email. Then I already composed my image. Then I'm going to click on send now for you to see how you can undo it. So I'm going to click on send. So you can see it has been sent. You can tap on it immediately to undo. You can see it has been undone. And that's how you can undo the email that has been sent. Imagine I accidentally sent this before even finishing it. Gmail give me a few seconds to tap undo and stop the email from being sent. Trick 4 of the hiding Gmail features you should know is smart search filters. How can you do that? Is by tapping on your Gmail. So instead of scrolling through hundreds of emails, I can use this search command to instantly find exactly what I need. So for example, I want to search for an attachment. Instead of just scrolling, all I can do is just type. I can do just type an attachment. You see, then you can see, and if you have an attachment, it's going to bring it out for you. Another example is on read, right? On read, that is on read messages. Then now you can see that bring all the messages I haven't read. So another example I'm going to be showing you is 1 year. Maybe I needed to look for a message that I needed, and it's already a 1 year late or 2 year late. So I'm going to type other than 1 year, so other than so you can see I have no messages from that aspect. Then emails that, so another one is to show you another example for me to use is maybe messages that I need to see and there's no way I can reply to it, so I can just type on no reply as YouTube, no reply as YouTube. Search it. You can see these are messages from YouTube. So this is how you can search for your messages and you're going to get it instantly. Search smarter without not stressing yourself. We have reached the last trick, and it could help protect your important emails from being shared or accessed after a certain time, which is confidential mode. So I'm going to compose an email now. How can you do that? Is by tapping on your Gmail. So I'm going to click on compose an email, which I'm showing you as an example. So like I said, you can use your second email or any Gmail you wish to use. So I'm going to put in my second. So my subject, since it's something very sensitive and important information, let me put my subject as bank details. Then I'm going to compose my email now, which is okay. Let me say here are the payment details. Here are the payment details for today's transaction, for today's transactions. Into this transaction. So I've already composed my email. Since this email contains sensitive information, I will use confidential mode. How can I do that? I'm going to tap on these 3 dots, then click on my confidential mode, then expires in 1 week. So you have to set an expiration time which for it to expire. Okay, let me set it in expires in 1 week. require passcode, so you can put it in SMS passcode if available. So I'm going to click on save now. Those are 5 hidden geometrics that can make you much more productive. Which one did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching AI Made Simple.